Just as we need to be careful about our own health, we need to be just as vigilant about the health of our buildings. Rieck Services is dedicated to providing the right technologies and practices to mitigate the spread of disease to protect those occupying your facilities. By utilizing the strategies listed here, you can create a healthier environment inside your facility. To improve indoor air quality, begin with your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Blend outside air with recirculated, filtered air to effectively dilute airborne contaminants inside your building and reduce the risk of exposure to airborne pathogens to minimize the spread of disease. As air moves through a building's HVAC system, air filters trap and collect large and small particles such as dust, allergens, and microorganisms. These particles are measured in terms of microns. Air filters are rated on the MERV system. To determine the best MERV filter for your equipment capacity, contact your account representative. Increasing air filter efficiency also reduces the transport of airborne contaminants and infectious aerosols. For years, germicidal ultraviolet, or UVC light, has been used in hospitals and laboratories to sanitize workstations and instruments. Using full airstream, UVC reduces and prevents microorganisms from circulating within the ductwork and office area. Needlepoint bipolar ionization, or NPBI, uses bipolar ion tubes to safely clean the air inside your building. There are many benefits of NPBI, including particle reduction, odor and pathogen control, and energy savings. Sanitation and decontamination of high-touch surfaces in your office keeps your tenants safe and your building operational. Finally, touchless plumbing fixtures have built-in sensors that detect when a user is near and automatically turns the water on and off. The benefits of these types of fixtures are many. There are no perfect solutions. However, we believe these are some of the best options currently available to maintain a healthy building to keep occupants as safe as possible. Let Rieck Services help you develop strategies to create a healthier environment for your facility.